Hey everybody, quick review on this Rhino USA kit. These ratchet strap kits are the best out there. They've got tie downs, really cool hooks with a mechanism here that will keep the hook from falling off. We got velcro straps to keep everything nice and tidy and a bag to go with it. Let me show you the key features here and why you really should look towards getting this kit. First, let's look at these tie downs. A lot of times you need to go around a handlebar or something like that. These have a half twist in the loop, and that's important whenever you're going around a bar. Just keep that open face of the loop here. We'll feed the other end through it, and you'll notice that as you pull back on that, it's flat all the way around the handlebar, and it's also flat going around the strap right here. That's a great design, and that's something that you want. So these are really nice tie downs also. Obviously you just loop through there, pull it tight, and then you would take your hook and hook onto it and you're ready to go. The other key selling point with these straps and what makes them really unique is the hook design. They've got this carabiner style hook. So if you need to hook something from the underside, so often if you don't keep everything nice and taut, it'll fall off and it can be really frustrating. This will allow you to hook onto something and not have it fall off. Quick demonstration here. Oftentimes you have to hook underneath something on the other side of a truck or trailer. And if you don't keep that thing nice and tight as you go over to the other side or give it a jiggle, what happens? It falls right off and it's super annoying. So with these hooks, the nice thing is they've got this carabiner so you can hook around and then you can jiggle it literally as much as you want, up and down, all over the place. It's not coming off. So that is an awesome feature. When you have a bunch of these long ratchet straps, just throwing them together ends up being a gigantic knot. So they've also included some nice Velcro straps so that you can basically wind it up like so. And then these straps just go right around it, pull it nice and tight, and it'll keep your straps really well organized and just give you a lot of peace of mind not having them in a giant bird's nest all over the place. If you want to keep your straps even more tidy, you can wind them up like an accordion, even with these shorter sections here, and then pull it down on top of itself, and that will make so you don't have a bunch of that strap hanging around. Makes them even better to throw into the bag, which I'm going to show you in a second. So here's our kit all nice and tidy, and then now here is the best part also. They give you a bag to put everything to keep it organized. Then it all fits together really nicely in this bag. Easy to throw in the back of your truck box, under a seat, wherever it may be. Keeps everything organized. Just a really well thought out ratchet strap kit with tie downs. Good quality on the strap, good quality on the ratchets, and just well thought out design. So I would highly recommend any of these Rhino ratchet strap kits.